Good morning and welcome to My FinTax Chronicles for today, 4th June 2025. Chronicles, 11th June 2025. Economic Outlook. India Capex Surge. India Inc. plans $850 billion Capex by 2030, driven by infrastructure, aviation sectors. World Bank retains forecast. World Bank retains India forecast citing falling deficit and rising tax collections. Frequent CPI base reset. Government proposes CPI base reset every 4 years to reflect changing economy. Legal developments. Rare earth legal cover. Importers consider force majeure to avoid penalties amid rare earth disruptions. Muda plots attached. ED attaches 92 Muda plots worth 100 crore rupees under PMLA probe in Karnataka. Banking and finance. Fintech reset caution. Cred valuation fall marks realism in fintech as sector matures post-boom. 6 Capex delay risk. Vodafone Idea's 55,000 rupee CR delay risks losing 50% revenue circle market share. Flexaloans bags 375 crore rupees. Flexaloans raises 375 crore rupees in Series C round from multiple global investors. Stride lends 85 crore rupees. Wow! Momo gets 85 crore rupees debt from Stride Ventures to expand operations nationwide. Unclaimed assets push. Finance Minister urges action to reduce 90,000 crore rupees in unclaimed financial assets. Corporate finance. Realty IPO pipeline. Realty players plan 15,000 crore rupees IPOs to capitalize on bullish property market. Tata Sons board shakeup. Tata Sons set to induct new board members as strategic vacancies open up. C5 loss cut aim. C5 aims to reduce FY26 losses by 60% with content, cost restructuring drive. L&T bags power deals. L&T wins 5,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees crore grid infra contracts for domestic and international markets. IOC gains diesel share. IOC lifts diesel bulk share 10% by undercutting rivals Reliance and Naira prices. JP debt unclear. JP Group's 30,000 rupee CR debt resolution stuck amid unclear strategy by lenders. International affairs. Pakistan ups defense spend. Pakistan increases defense budget by 20% despite overall budget contraction this year. G7 summit diplomacy. PM Modi invited to G7 summit, India's global strategic value seen rising rapidly. Tax and compliances. Sony Tata Play dispute. Sony contests TDSAT stay in HC to disconnect Tata Play over carriage dispute. Mr. Entry curbs opposed. IPA urges government to revoke curbs on medical reps in central government hospitals. Investments and finance. Blackstone's realty bet. Blackstone seeks control with Kolte Patil promoters after 2,000 rupee CR stake acquisition. Kolte Patil stake buy. CCI approves Blackstone's acquisition of Kolte Patil as part of India Growth Plan. Healthco Realty Fund. Healthco targets 2,000 crore rupees for realty, infra projects via new domestic AIF. Apollo hikes cyber spend. Apollo raises cyber budget to 11% amid increasing AI-driven threats and regulations. AI shields hospitals. Tier 2 hospitals adopt AI cybersecurity tools, seeing 40% UI usage spike post-2023. Financial markets. Sensex drops 54 points. Sensex slips 54 points to 82,391 on weak global sentiment, banks underperforming. Nifty holds at 25,104. Nifty ends flat at 25,104, June futures TRA. Trade with 56-point premium difference. MF inflows sink. Equity MF inflows drop to 19,013 crore rupees in May, a 13-month record low. Gold near 96,000 rupees. Gold gains 493 rupee to 95,973 rupee per 10 grams, driven by geopolitical and inflation worries. Zero coupon demand falls. Zero coupon bond demand dips as CRR cut lowers yields, investor interest wanes.